Aworo, and aworo,
East Africa is renowned for its vast concentration of farmland and exotic wildlife and home of the Maasai tribe. The geography is stunning and scenic, shaped by sites like Mount Kilimanjaro, Lake Victoria, and Mount Kenya. One of the distinct features of East African music is the melody that hits you when you hear an East African tune. The music leans heavily on traditional and folk East African music like Waigogo, Ngoma, and others. Modern East African music is a fusion of Western popular music and traditional sounds, giving us beautiful subgenres like bongo flava and genge. Artists from this region have etched their names in the history books with a collection of amazing music that has seen the East African region become a major force in the music dynamics of Africa. Now, when you want some melodies, just take a trip to East Africa, the African region of melody.
Wanna be